We've talked about riparian areas in Rangeland Principles. This is Karen. Today I'm going to show you just two plants that you have to remember about riparian areas. I'm going to show you a sedge and a willow. Both sedges and willows are really important in riparian areas. Okay, the first one is Nebraska sedge. It's probably the most common sedge on rangelands, and it's really important because it's a grass-like plant. It looks like a grass. It also is very nutritious and delicious for wildlife and livestock. What's distinctive about it, it's not woody, it's herbaceous. Its leaves are on three sides of the stem. The stems are triangular. Now that's hard to see in a picture, but you can see even in this picture it looks like the leaves come off on three sides of the stem. They don't alternate up the stem. Also notice that the base of the plant is real kind of brown or red. That's a characteristic of sedges. The main characteristic of sedges that help you distinguish them is they have male and female flowers. They're both on the same plant, so it is monoecious, both the male and female flowers on the same stalk. The male flowers are up on the top. They look real shaggy because they have the pollen that's going to drip down onto the female flowers, and they look kind of nut-like. They've got these sort of extensions that are just waiting to catch that pollen. So look for a couple of real spiky seed heads at the top, the male flowers, and then real round spicate seed heads that are the female flowers below. Okay, a woody plant that you would find throughout on rangeland riparian areas throughout the West is coyote willow, also called sandbar willow. It's definitely a willow. It's got alternating leaves up the stem, and these leaves are real sagey color. They're linear shape, actually sort of lanceolate shape, and they can be a little bit of wavy on the end, but really simple leaves, alternating up the stems, kind of sagey color, a little lighter on the bottom than the top. Willows have fluffy white flowers in what's called a catkin. So the flowers are arranged real tightly into one branch. It looks kind of like a cat's tail. That's how I remember it's a catkin. So flowers in catkins, white, and those sagey leaves that are real simple. Okay, that's it. Just two plants, coyote willow and Nebraska sedge.